স্কুল যাবলৈ ৰেডি?
1942 ভাৰত ত্যাগ আন্দোলন 1947 ভাৰতৰ স্বাধীনতা
কৰ পৰা পঢ়ি আছা?
ইয়াৰ পৰা
প্ৰতিদিনে হৰলিক্স প্ৰতিক্ষণে ৰেডি, কাৰণ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন বঢ়োৱাৰ বাবে হৰলিক্স হ'ল প্ৰমাণিত, যাতে ল'ৰা-ছোৱালী হয় শাৰ্প।
Combined Garo organizations from South West Khasi Hills on Wednesday held a meeting cum rally to demand justice for the 4 minor victims who were allegedly gang raped by a group of around 10 to 12 men on 7th June, as well as to seek action from the police against the culprits responsible for the heinous crime. Organizations like the GSU, All Khasi Hills Echik Federation, AKHF, AHAM and the Women's Organization expressed dismay over police inaction and threatened to resort to agitation if the 4 minor victims were taken away by the group of men on the pretext of attending a birthday party and were later gang raped. We strongly condemn the heinous and despicable act and urge police to act and arrest the culprits. If no action is taken, we will take our own course of action, GSU Vice President Tengaku Marak warned. The alleged gang rape of the 4 minor girls had taken place on 7th June under the jurisdiction of the Nonghilan police station. The incident came to light after the victims went missing and revealed what had happened to their family members only a day after.
Tsenga yano nukna mana yano tsenga yano masina mana yano partially police department ni treat kanirango tsenga nukna manenga. So we have seen the part and partiality of this police department. So we cannot tolerate all these things. So this is not the first incident took place, but then it had happened before also. But then from the police department, they didn't took any strict actions against those culprits. So I just want to remind all like incident in our area. So we had filed the FIR, we had lodged the FIR, but then from the police department side, they didn't took any action. So we could understand that the police departments, they are doing partiality towards our society. So being a police department. So they are the public servant. So they have to serve for the public equally, because that the law is equal to each and everyone. So they cannot take partially, but we could see and we could understand that police department are doing partiality in any cases. Before also it's happened only, but now also till date they didn't arrest those culprits. So this is very sad, and it's a very shameful to the police department. So I think that the police department, they are not doing their job in a proper manner. So we are humbly requesting to the higher authority to take immediate actions against this incident. So if they didn't take any action, then we will take a strong action against the police department and